Hey guys, you're welcome to Hair Talk and Affairs. In this video, I'll be showing you how I moisturize my natural hair. But before I begin, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and also give this video a thumbs up. The first thing I'm going to be doing is spraying water on my hair, and this is beneficial because spraying water on your hair before adding any other moisturizer, it allows you to shape, moisturize, and stretch your hair without soaking your hair in water or wetting your hair again. And secondly, I'm going to be patting my hair in two so I'll be able to get the moisturizer in my hair very well. And now I'm going to keep the first part of the two sections in a rubber band. You can keep it in a rubber band, you can just tie it up. So that's what I'm doing here basically. And this helps to get the moisturizer in and not be stingy with your hair and all. So first I'm going to get my picking comb and I'm going to comb out. We added water to my hair. So water is just going to help with just picking out your hairs from its roots. Natural hair and the shrinkage you have to struggle with and all. And now I'm going to be applying my leave-in conditioner. I'm basically using the LOC method, and this is the leave-in conditioner. And here I'm going to be applying it into the first section, just a little, so it doesn't get too much. I'm just going to apply a little on my hair and make sure you get that leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner basically makes your hair soft. So I'm going to be applying it generously on my hair, and make sure you massage your scalp with the leave-in conditioner so it won't be hard to comb or it won't be hard for you to work with. And the next part of moisturizing your fussy natural hair is using the oil, and I'm using the LOC method. I've used liquid, which is water. Wow, Nepal to client. I use liquid, which is water, and leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be using oil. And when moisturizing, please be sure to focus on your ends. The former video I did on pre-poo, you focus on your ends. Your ends are the oldest part of your hair. So when moisturizing, you focus on your ends as well so they won't be rough when you are combing it out. So I'm going to be using my white tooth comb to detangle as I'm moisturizing. And when after putting leave-in conditioner and oil, you notice a very big difference when combing your hair. It won't be difficult when it's dry. Yes, I did that on purpose, and that's just to show that when you apply moisturizer to your natural hair, it's easier to comb. And now I'm going to be applying the ORS olive oil black castor scalp balm. And please, when adding this, please just add little. That was the only amount I added to my hair. That's the only amount I added to my hair. And now I'm going to be adding my shea butter. That's the only amount you should add, because like I moisturize my hair twice a week, and shea butter is like the main moisturizer I use. Shea butter is like local, hair moisturizer. And I'm using my white tooth comb to comb the first section. Now I'm done with the first section, the LOC, liquid, which is water, leave-in conditioner, oil, and cream or butter. So now I'm going to focus on the second section. Now I'm done with the second section and I'm basically detangling. Guys, look at the shiny look. Just take a look at the shiny. Look at how shiny my hair is. Now I've combined the two sections together and I'm combing them out. Just look at how it is. Although after adding moisturizers to your hair may shrink a bit, but guys, we want healthy hair, right? Yeah. So this is the finished look, and I just styled my hair because I'm going out, nothing serious. And I'm going to just put my hair clip. This clip is from the Pink store on Instagram. Please, you guys should go check her out. Bye. Thanks for your time. God bless you.